In this video, I will show you how to find Korean friends on Kakaotalk. First of all, open the Kakaotalk application. You will see 4 tabs at the bottom. Tap on the second tab, Chats. Your chats with everyone will appear here. Next, tap on the plus chat icon at the top right corner. At the top, you'll see different options to start a chat. And in the center of the screen, there are some popular topics used by Kakaotalk users. Select any of these topics. For example, if I tap on New Jeans, related groups will appear on the screen. From the options available at the top, look for the Open Profile option and tap on it. You will now see profiles of Korean users. Select any profile you're interested in. To start a chat, tap on One-on-One Open Chat in the center of the screen. Then, select your profile that you'd like to use to send the message. Enter your text and wait for them to reply. Make sure to keep your profile attractive by having a nice profile photo and adding an interesting bio so that people are more likely to respond and become friends with you. Be polite and respectful in your conversations to build a good rapport. Additionally, learning a few basic Korean phrases can go a long way in showing your interest and sincerity in making friends. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.